Hello, it's Adrian from Fineland Country in Great Torrington. Welcome to Lower Guscott, a handsome detached home offering 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 reception rooms, kitchen breakfast room, and a bedroom 5, extra reception room or gymnasium on the ground floor. Today we're in the hamlet of Huntshaw Water. We're about 5 miles from Great Torrington, about 4.5 miles from Bideford, 6 miles from the North Devon Coast. And that's about as busy as it gets. Behind the camera, fields, Huntshaw Church, Huntshaw Woods. I'd love to show you around. So coming through the front door, you turn right into the sitting room, a lovely room, cosy atmosphere, log burner, but also big space for some large sofas and quite comfortably seating 6 to 8 people. What I love about this room is the fact that you've got space for a decent sized table and a couple of easy chairs, again in front of a lovely log burner, somewhere just to sit, read, or in this case, allow the cat to curl up. So coming in from the outside from the south facing terrace, you come through the utility room into the kitchen breakfast room, nicely laid out, impressive space for a range cooker, bread oven, all the accoutrements you need, and a walk-in larder stroke pantry. Open the door and it just evokes of times gone past. So imagine yourself just sitting here at the end of a day, just looking at that and just taking time to yourself. 01805 626 999. I'd love to talk to you about this and show you it. It is spectacular. That is the sound of a buzzard in the background.